Hi, 8th graders. We are going to look at how to reflect a shape over a line of reflection on a coordinate plane. So specifically, I'm going to say that this line right here, the y-axis, is going to be my line of reflection. And after I do that designation, I'm going to now look at all of my points. So some of the steps that I'm going to take are these. First, I'm going to identify my line of reflection. Then I'm going to look at the points compared to that line of reflection. What I mean by that is I am going to look at this point A, for example, and I'm going to look at how far away this point is from the line of reflection. If I count, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units away from the line of reflection. That means I am going to reflect this point over to the other side of this line of reflection the same number of units. So if I had point A is 7 units to the left, I'm now going to go 7 units to the right. Okay, so I'm now going to be on that same horizontal, sort of horizontal line, and I'm going to go 7 units to the right from that line of reflection. So from here, I'm going to go 7 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to make my new point, and I'm going to call that point A prime. Okay, just like we did with our reflections when we didn't have a coordinate plane. I'm now going to look at B. It is 3 units to the right. So now I'm going to go 3 units to the left, sorry. And now I'm going to go 3 units to the right. And I'm going to mark that point B prime. I can do the same thing with C. It's 3 units to the left. That means I'm going 3 units to the right, and I can say C prime. D is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units to the left. That means I'm going to go the same number of units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units to the right. Last but not least, we have E over here. It looks like it's 2 units past A. We know A is 7 units to the left. That means I'm going 9 units to the left for E. So I'm going to go along that same horizontal line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units to the right. After I've done all that, I'm going to connect the dots in the same fashion that they are connected over here. So I'm not going to say A to D to E to B to C or whatever. I'm going to go truly A, B, C, D, E. So that means I'm going A prime to B prime to C prime to D prime, E prime, and then A prime. Okay, so I can label those all up and I can actually see that same shape come to fruition. So after I've connected all the dots, I also need to make sure, I already labeled beforehand, but I'm going to make sure my points are labeled. And I'm going to make sure they are labeled with primes. Primes. Okay, that should say P-R-I-M-E-S. So primes, make sure they're labeled with the primes, so the little apostrophes on those points. Cool? Cool. You have you have 2 more videos to watch on this. One of them is sort of one that I want you to watch because it helps you with the reflection rules. The second one is for you if you need it after you complete the lesson. If you completed the lesson and you want to check your work, you can watch the second video that is linked, or I guess the third video that is linked, the second video after this one. All right. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the next one. Bye.